Hello and welcome. This is the first in the series of tutorial videos for the Vieo RV series of portable infotainment systems designed for recreational vehicles. In this video, we will familiarize you with the basic controls and startup functions for the device, including the magnetic dock and the steps to connect and disconnect the Vieo touchscreen display. But first, if you haven't already done so, be sure to register your unit with Garmin Express to get easy access to software updates, map updates, and product registration. You can find more information at garmin.com. Now let's look at the magnetic dock connection. It charges your device and sets the interface to docked mode for the touchscreen display. Wireless connectivity allows the touchscreen to control the infotainment system in either mode. Some features, such as hands-free calling and backup or side mirror cameras, may be available only when the display is docked. We'll cover those features in later videos. To dock the display, bring it close to the mount until the magnets pull the display into the correct position. Now, tilt the top of the display toward the mount until the magnets pull the display into the correct position. Once docked, the display immediately switches to the RV vehicle profile you selected, and you'll have access to core media and navigation features from the touchscreen display. While docked, the display's battery is charging, and the level is indicated in the status bar. Now let's check out the home screen layout. You'll see menu icons for Where To, View Map, and Media controls. The first two bring up navigation functions, while the media selector takes you to the infotainment system's audio control and media player features. We'll cover those controls in other videos in the series. To select menu functions, just tap the icon for function on the screen. In most modes, you can simply drag or swipe your finger across the screen to pan or scroll your view of the display. At the top of your home screen, you'll see an information panel for such things as turn directions, current speed, street you're on, etc. If your unit is paired with a mobile device, you can swipe down on the status bar to view smart notifications. When you see the list of notifications, you can tap a specific notification to launch an action or app mentioned in the text. To dismiss a notification, just swipe it to the right. You can also swipe down twice from the top of the screen to expand the quick settings in the notification panel. You can use this quick settings menu to adjust the brightness of the screen. Select the settings icon, then display, then brightness level. Use the slider bar to adjust screen brightness up or down. At the end of your day's journey, you can easily undock the display and remove it by pressing the bottom edge of the display inward while tilting the top edge of the display toward you. This keeps the bottom of the display seated in the dock and helps to prevent dropping the unit. After the display releases from the magnet, you can carefully remove the screen from the mount and securely store it or take it with you. And that's a quick look at the basics for getting started with your Vieo RV infotainment system. To learn more, visit our website at garmin.com. Thanks for watching.